The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall. Me have to do that video. I mean, I beg the people them share that video, see? Because we need to highlight something what we see happen on the farm work program. Because me is a product of the farm work program. You see me I say? Yeah. See? When I came here to Canada, 2019, see, something when me see some of the work them have to endure from some boss, some living condition when me see the man them have to go under. You see me I say, ear in, ear out. You see me? And if you know the man them left Jamaica, if you come here with them left them comfortable yard, left them family if you come here and work so hard for some boss where you treat the man them like shit. I treat some of the man them like slave. You see me? And many are the liaison officers them. You see me I say within Canada know about the treatment of what the man them endure. Yeah? Me see we are boss. J-pop man pan farm. See and liaison officer them they do nothing about that. And the same man will get J-pop the boss drop him the next season. You see me I say and the Ministry of Labour within Jamaica now they not know about that. You see me I say and everything me fam start from the Ministry of Labour within Jamaica. Oh, them treat the big man them and the big woman that we are come on the program where I work so hard. You know? Yo, some of the man them fam come here from when the time cold. When me say what it call a stinger. Like a, yo, me say it a stinger like a, yo, know a current lick you, I saw the call a stinger. And the man them come and do that and the man them, yo, the man them have to rough it out and tough it out. Because the man them want better for themselves and want for them family. You see me? And it hurt. When me see the same man, they have to go through the Ministry of Labour, ear in, ear out, and the Ministry of Labour, yeah, some little boy down there, some little girl down there too. I treat the big man like a pitney them. And then not cheat for them pitney their yard, so they not talk to them, so. Yeah? Me have experience with it in the Ministry of Labour, me see it and me see it for myself. See it? How them talk to the big man them. And talk to the big woman them. They not have respect. You hear that? Them people in the Ministry of Labour, they not have respect to the big man and the big woman them. See it? And then when the man they come and fire it, them have come here come face the same thing with some wicked boss here. Don't get me wrong enough from me, some good boss here, because me not go lie. They say my boss. You see me I say what me used to work with, them man they are good man. Them man they are general. Them man they go all out for we as worker. But you have some other boss with me, what my eye and see. You hear that? What J-pop man and dash the man the next season. And when the man them on the farm take a stand, yo, the liaison officer, them, the sellout liaison officer, then come and I do nothing for the man them, they defend the man them. So living condition of me say fam, when me see some man of here endure over here. You hear that? Man, yo, enough for the man down there in Jamaica, they are them big house down there, the nice room, and that's them and the woman, and them alone in the room, when they come here, you all 4 or 5 man in a one room, bunk bed, man at dead pan. Yeah? Like when you got art institution, they put in a room with 20 on upon bunk bed upstairs, downstairs. And when you got a college. You see me I say? At them life, the man have to come here and do and but if not for the man them talk something with them I go through. They would come back on the program because if you talk too much, it's like they want to shut you up. You see me I say? Yo, me go a transfer if first and find that time I go work for a wicked boy around there when they call. Me never forgot that boy. Yo, that man deal with the big man around there like say I pitney them. See? Me see yo, watch you now. A COVID time you know, see? And yo, when you read the Ministry of Labour, them tell you this. Say when you go over there, the boss them are going to take care for the 2 weeks and then they pan chance so they must pay for that. No for the man them when they come here. The boss give the man them the food. See? I mean not talk about me here, but I talk about what I know about. Give the man them food. See? And after the man they get the food for the 2 weeks, the man them they take back the money what the government give. Give them as boss for pay the man them for quarantine for 2 weeks. They take back the money from the man them. See? Yeah, they don't get which they get money for buy food for the man them for the 2 weeks. Then get money for give the man them. See? $300 every week one man forget. So now $600 every get for the 2 weeks. See? And for the boss then take back the money there. Say a food money. See the some wicked white man them. But liaison officers them no enough of them thing ya. See? No them must say yo watch ya. A COVID time, see? No 4 and 5 man can't eat up in a room again. No for the boss them hide and do it. You see me? No for the boss them hide and do it. Yeah? So my brother reach out to me and say the man say, Lawyer Graham, why you do a video upon this? You see me? I say, yo, we there we are faced with the wicked boss them. You see me I say? Enough of them boss in Canada, if I their slavery time, they still out. Me I tell you, I whole heap of whip them that whip them for the man them when they feel say they not work hard enough. You see me I say? So it's wicked. It's wicked. And the Ministry of Labour can do more. And the liaison officers them in Canada can do more. Because listen to me now. Every week, every week, as 26 Canadian dollar draw out of every man pay check will come to Canada. We pay a liaison service. So about 16,000 people come to Canada here. See? Just pre that. Pre how much money I got the liaison service. And after that money I got the liaison service, I going back to the Ministry of Labour in Jamaica to keep it active, to keep it running. You see me I say? But who is there to lobby for the farmer them? Yeah? See how some workers for them money have to do. Hey, you think a boy if you go up on some vegetable farm, apple farm, I work 6, 7, 8 months, especially vegetable farm. Eh? You know, hey, some woman them if they tell a story we have to go do strawberry. See it, we have to dip on your knee for the whole day. Your back, oh gosh, when you go in there, you can't. You won't back. You can't feel. Vegetable farm, you have to dung up on your back. All a tall man like me, my back it and mash up. Become a peach, come deal. You know, maybe I can let that up the road and down the road. But me don't feel no way I can watch and me tell you, I say me for my boss, a real man. You see me I say? The man they have a general. Yeah? But you have some wicked boss. Yeah? You have wicked boss. They have one that they call. Me not itch call him name. The man is a wicked man. He's a wicked man. And you have some other boss too, they are wicked. And you have some female boss too that are wicked. Yeah? They work you so hard. Yeah? Cause you think what you know? You think a boy if you have a man I work from Sunday to Sunday, 10 hours a day. Sunday to Sunday, you work 10 hours. See? No for the time they make you go to town on Friday, go shopping. See? You get that, you work to like from 7 o'clock to 5 o'clock. See? You got to town, go shop, buy for local food. They come back tomorrow, Saturday again. You have out there work. Sunday, you have out there again. You see me I say? And if, you just sick off for 1 day, boss, no want to take you back next season. What, if you show them, you know, 1 day sick off, you know? You're tired for all the days, say, boss, you know, me don't feel like I want to go to the car. I'm tired still, you know. And you did your work for all 7 months for me, you know. You work for me, you know. And you're tired 1 day, and 1 day you can't get, you know. Yeah? And Ministry of Labour tell us, yes, you have to go do it. You have to do it. You have to do it here out, and I'm making some local boys and local girl in the Ministry of Labour, cock up their local tail and feel, so yo, them they way up your so. And when them see you, you go through the Ministry of Labour, you see them walk side for you, and scan you. Yeah, me see it. Yeah, me say local girl in the Ministry of scan the man them. And that's how me make up my mind 2020, me say, uno nah get the chance for this me. Uno nah get the chance for this me, so we make sure I lift up from the program. Yeah, and I respect all of the man them will lift up from the half of the farm program, which every day man could have lift up. Cause the cheat, if you not cheat the man them good, if you not cheat the man them good, I say, yeah. But you see the treatment, you get bad treatment from Jamaica, you come and find your face from the boss more. You see me I say, so me I beg the man them. All of the man will lift up over the farmer program and see that video, I beg on you, share the thing. Yeah? Share the thing. Yeah, I'm one the liaison officers them see too. The lazy one them, so you have a wicked one too. Where I get buy out.
John, my people, you hear the things where this person said some people got through on the farm work in Canada. Eh? You hear the things where this person says some Jamaicans got through on the farm work program within Canada to Jamaica. See? And yes, when a man work for money so hard, you have people out there who will bad mind and talk certain things. And you have some persons who might even want to rob somebody and don't know how hard a man or a woman work for their money. You listen the things what this person said. You see me? Because you have lots of people out there who will not do the things that this person talk about that some people do for make a money, you know. You see me I say? I'm not gonna lie, the things what this person said, it really and truly have me feeling a way for no say people really go through some things like that. See me? Hear some of the things what this person talk, it really make me feel a way. No, my people, like, me really and truly bring this video so we can hear the things what this person have to say. So me I say, right? And to do how this person talk, this person, in my point of view, this person talk from experience. Jah know my people. Big up to the man shown in that video. Yeah, big him up. You see what I say? Yeah, big him up. You see it? Me appreciate him sharing his opinions and point of views or talking about this whole thing. Me really and truly respect him for that. You see what I say? So big him up. Alright? No, sir. No, brother. If you're sick for your day, I tell you. Until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.